What are the programming instructions for a universal remote for an electric fireplace?
Hello there. In this video, we will be discussing how you can program your universal remote to control your electric fireplace. This handy step-by-step guide will provide you with the needed instructions so you can enjoy your cozy fireside evenings without the fuss of manual operation. Note, these steps are generally applicable, but there might be slight variations based on your specific remote and fireplace model.
What will you need?
To program your universal remote for your electric fireplace, you will need 1. The universal remote. This is the device you will program. 2. The electric fireplace. Make sure it is turned on and working. 3. Access to the fireplace manual or model number, in case your remote requires specific codes.
Are there any pre-programming steps?
Before programming, ensure that your universal remote has fresh batteries and it is compatible with the electric fireplace you want to control. Compatibility can typically be confirmed by checking the manual of the remote control.
How to program your universal remote?
Now let's dive into the actual programming process. Follow these steps. 1. Power on your electric fireplace. It is essential that the fireplace is on so that it can sync with the universal remote. 2. Locate the Setup or Program button on your remote. This button is usually found at the top of the remote. Some remotes might use different terminology like Mode, Select, or Menu. 3. Press and hold the Setup button. You will see a light blinking, usually red or green. This indicates that the remote is in programming mode. 4. Enter the code for the electric fireplace. This is where your fireplace manual comes in handy. Some universal remotes automatically search for the correct code, so you may not need to enter it manually. If it is a manual entry, enter the code using the number buttons on the remote. 5. Wait for the remote to confirm the code. Once the correct code is entered, the remote should confirm it, usually by blinking the light or showing a message on the display, if available. 6. Check the functionality. Try using the remote to operate your fireplace. If it doesn't respond, you may need to repeat the steps with a different code. There you have it, an easy and straightforward guide to programming your universal remote for your electric fireplace. Remember, the most important part is to ensure that your remote is compatible with your fireplace and to have the correct code handy if needed. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your warm, cozy nights by the fire, all controlled by the click of a button.